Any comment on being charged with a crime in this case?
Oh, nothing that I've already stated so far. You know, it's always available options at the moment that might successfully address the threat you're faced with. That's always the issue in cases like this, and that'll be the issue in this case as well.
All right. Do you think he did anything wrong, Captain? Did he do something to
We wouldn't
upset
be
you?
pleading not guilty if we thought we did. But thank you very much.
So we're going to be arraigning you today. It is a one-count misdemeanor complaint. It's for an incident that allegedly occurred in Providence on or about July 3rd of this year. I spoke to the parties. It's my understanding we're waiving the reading.
Yes, yes, Your Honor, thank you.
Okay, so we're going to be entering a not guilty plea on your behalf. And what's the bail recommendation?
Judge, the state has no objection to personal recognizance bail. It also asks for a waiver of extradition, and I have no objection to the motion to travel out of state.
Okay, we'll set bail at $5,000 PR. Special condition of your bail would be a waiver of extradition. Permission to travel granted. It's going to be a non-domestic, non-contact, no contact order with the complaining witness in this case. Our next pretrial date is going to be September 14. And do I have an entry appearance from the council? I do. Perfect.
Judge, I just also asked that the order to be processed today.
Okay, so you're gonna have to go in for processing. You know how that process works. Okay, very good. Thank you.
Your Honor.
You can see what he could see that can't be shown on the video.
Why
Because you
didn't
The
can't see
suspect
it.
is already on the ground for 15 seconds.
They're not secured until they're in a cell block at a police station. That's when they're secured.
Do we know why, Captain, why you didn't have a body camera?
No comment from the captain, but
Do you know why he didn't have a body camera?
it's part of administration and how they shoot body cameras. That's a side issue.
Is there anything else you'd like people to know? Again, who just look at this and see the video and say it seems clear that that was not an approved police tactic to slam someone's head in the ground?
You put it that way. Let me say this to you. If someone was standing about 10 feet away from you as a policeman and they went for a weapon, what would you do? When you answer that question, you'll have your answer.
But it seemed like the threat was over at that point.
That was not over.